Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload a long video to Instagram. This is the updated method, as there is no longer IGTV like the one that I showed you in my previous video, where you have to go to the IGTV section and there's an upload button. That upload button disappeared. So if you go here, then we go to profile, and we go over here. As you can see, it says videos and there's like no upload buttons. So what you want to do is just go ahead to this plus button and select from computer, and over here I got a video. As you can see, the length of it is 31, so I just double click it and hit this original, then next, and as you can see over here, the total duration is 1895, and that's how you know that it's the full length of the video. So 895 divided by 60, as you can see, it was 31. So let's go next, and then as you can see, you have the share button. You can also do that from the app in Windows. It's gonna be the same thing. I have another video over here that's more than 15 minutes. You can just double click it.
Yo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Inshallah.
Hit original. Then you go next, and yeah, you can over here select the thumbnail, and if you want to trim it or not or whatever. So yeah, that's all you need to do. Not a big difference. It's just they basically moved the button away. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any problem, just comment. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.